Okay, so let us take a look at how to add videos and audios on our web page. Okay, so we are going to see how we can add them. So in the table of content, so let us see how we can work with them. So I'm going to show you how to work with videos and audios, but I'm not going to go into Flash concept. Okay, you know there is a concept called Flash. Okay, so how to add those flash movies, they are referred to as flash movies to your web page, okay, using JavaScript here. But here we are not going to work with JavaScript. It is basically for HTML. Okay, so I'm not going to work with JavaScript. We shall see that when we are working with JavaScript. Okay, because if you learn HTML, or whether you are learning front end or back end, you need to be capable of programming in JavaScript. So it is a must. Yeah, it is like a must to learn JavaScript. So we shall see that when we are learning JavaScript. Okay, unless for you want to create some simple that doesn't need some simple web pages that don't need website. But if you don't learn JavaScript, you are not going to make up in this economy. Okay, so you will learn JavaScript. So how to add audio, video? So we are going to start. Let us start with adding videos. Okay, so to add videos, we use the video. Remember, we are using HTML5. So in HTML5, it is the current version. Yeah, and I think every website is using HTML5. So when adding videos, we use the video element. Okay, this video element, we add the source. Okay, it has the source attribute. So the source, it is where it connects us to the location of the video. Okay, we want to add. Okay, so we specify it by using the source. Okay, so then inside the source, those quotations, inside the quotations, it's where we put our source. Okay, so let us see how we can do it. So how to do it, let us add here. I have in my current folder, in the folder where the index.html, the HTML document we are working with is there is some video. There is a video here. It's called password.mp4. So in this current folder, so I access the current folder using this one, yeah, /. Okay, this current folder. Then I'm going to get access to all the files. So all the files except this one, the index.html. No, even it is also there. Okay, it is also there, all the files. So I want this one. Okay, that one. Then if I save my file there, you're going to see that we are getting, as you can see, we are getting a heavy video. Okay, it doesn't have a specified width and height, so we need to specify them. We specify them by using like this width, and we set it to 200. Okay, and height we can set it to what we want, even this one 200 in square form. Okay, so after doing that, we save. I think our video has shrinked, okay, to the size that we have specified. Then I think we are not able to play the video. Okay, so in order to be able to play the video, we can either set it automatically, or we can set that the user, we can set that the user is has options whether to play or not play. Okay, so we need to put so we can put those buttons there, or we cannot put them there, and we just play the video automatically when the page loads. So to play the videos automatically when the page loads, we use the autoplay attribute like that. And if we save, when the page loads,
so that's how
you can see
engineers do it. Okay, so I want to show you something here.
So that's it. Yeah, you're going to see. First, wait. Okay, when the page loads, just press. So let me save it again. So when I save my file, I see.
So that's how software engineers
when the page,
do it.
As soon as the page loads, so let us load it again. When I save my file, we save. The page reloads, it's going to play. So it works like that. Oh, what's the error coming? Where is the error coming from? So maybe my browser is facing some autoplay. When I save, my browser is lagging out, but just know when we pray, when we save our file, when we have included this autoplay attribute, our video is going to play automatically when the website loads. Okay, so when the page loads. So in order to give a user, a visitor, access to the video, we can specify that we can let the controls be there. So we specify the control attribute, we just include it there. Okay, and when we save, as you can see, the controls are now on. Okay, the user can reduce the volume, can increase the volume, can play. Okay, can play the video.
So that's some software.
Can also download, can increase the speed, can also take the picture. Okay, so that's how we can use videos. Even you can include multiple video formats. Okay, so you know some browsers don't recognize some video formats. So in order to include other video formats, for example here, even this we can emit using this source. Okay, this one src, and we use the source. This one we can use the source. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can use the source, the src. Okay, in your in your video. Okay, so we can use it like this, the source, like that. Okay, like this, source. This is for source, like that. I'm going to show you. So after doing that, what we are going to do is to get the link. Okay, the link of the video. Okay, the link of the video. So to get the link, so we need to add the link inside the source. Okay, instead of adding it inside the open tag video attribute, we just add it here. We just add it there. Okay, and this one will do the same. Even if we remove this one, okay, we cut it and we paste it there, it will do the same. And if we save, I think it is loading. Okay, that's how we can do it. Okay, we can even add multiple options like poster, and this one, the poster attribute, allows you to specify an image to show while the video is downloading or until the user tells the video to play. So for example here we can specify the poster, like poster, then we give the location. So for example we need an image. Okay, so here we have an image 1.png. okay, there. Okay, and if we save, I see, so as the video loads, or before the user plays the video, this image shows up, and it acts like an overlay. Okay, so yeah, like that. So there is also another attribute which is called the loop. You can loop, and this one, the loop, when used, this attribute indicates that the video should start playing again once it has ended. Okay, so as you hear it, loop, like this one, loop. Okay, so if we save it, if we save the file and we try to go to where the video ends,
so I want to show you something else.
okay,
so
like this, and we end there. Here, let us first wait. I see our video has reloaded. Okay, has replayed, has repeated. Okay, again. So that's what we can do. Even here under the source, we can specify there are also other attributes we can provide. We have the source, and another one we have the type, and the type, you should use this attribute to tell the browser what format the video is. Okay, otherwise it will download some of the videos to see if it can play the file. Okay, which will take a time and bandwidth. Okay, so to specify, we use the type like that, and then we specify what it is. MP4, it can be MP4, it can be something. There are also other versions, other MPE something. Yeah, there are many types. I don't remember them, but there are many video types. There is even K type. There's MKV, is it MKV? Yeah, that one you can specify multiple types. Okay, so And that's how we can add videos in our web page. Okay, so let us take a look at how we can add audio files, okay, on our website. Okay, so to add audio or audio files, we use the audio in the HTML5. We use the audio, we specify the source. It is the same as when using videos. Okay, we specify the source. We can also use the source, this one, the source, that one. You can also use it, that one. You can use it. Oh, no, yeah, we can use the source. You have understood. So here we can specify the file dot. Here I have there is a mp3, there is m4a, okay, file. It is also audio file. I can specify, let me choose that one. We can add there. If we save like that. Okay, why isn't it loading? Why is it not loading? There's something happening to my web browser. Okay, so as you can see, yeah, if I add it there like that, so I'll come back after fixing my web browser. Okay. Okay guys, so I found out that the problem was not with the browser, it was just with adding some other attributes here. Okay, so here after specifying the source, okay, the path to the file, so here it is in my current it is a current directory where the file, the index.html is. So it is called recording.mp3. So here, in order to view for my video for me to be able to see my audio, what I should do is to provide the control attribute. This one will show all the controls. Okay, so if I save like that, if I save my file, as you can see, the controls are there. Okay, so I can play my audio, okay, here like this. Yeah.
Okay guys, this is
okay, so I can be able even to increase the speed or to decrease the speed. So here if I want my audio to play automatically when the page loads, I can specify that autoplay. I can autoplay like that, and if I save, my audio starts my audio starts playing immediately when the page loads. Okay, so there are other attributes we can use. Here we can use the loop. Also it is there. We can use preload, and this attributes indicates what the browser should do if the player is not set to autoplay. Okay, it can have the same values we saw previously. So for example, here we can specify the auto the preload. Okay, so preload, here we can specify auto, none, meta, no, let us specify auto. Auto, okay, like that. Yeah, we can specify different attributes like that. So with this one, okay, let us go to another one. Okay, but this one is not commonly used, this preload. Okay, it is not commonly used, but it is also existing. Okay, you should note that. Okay, so that's all. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys. Please make sure you subscribe. Okay, okay, and I'm very sure that you subscribe. Okay, so share the videos. Okay, share the video. Okay, thank you so much.